Welcome to our spotlight on cutting-edge innovation. Today, we dive into a transformative special issue from MDPI Sensors, focusing on advanced microwave sensing and imaging in real time for high-resolution industrial applications. Modern industry demands precision, speed, and reliability, and that's exactly where real-time microwave sensing shines. From non-destructive testing to high-resolution imaging, this special issue brings together breakthroughs that are redefining how we monitor, analyze, and optimize industrial processes. What sets this technology apart? Real-time capability. Instead of waiting for data post-processing, sensors now deliver insights on the fly, reducing downtime, enhancing safety, and enabling predictive maintenance. Whether it's inspecting materials, detecting anomalies, or characterizing dielectrics, this is next-level control and quality assurance. Guest edited by Dr. Hack, this issue features pioneering work on antenna sensors, MIMO systems, metasurfaces, and complementary metamaterials, microwave imaging and real-time processing, rapid prototyping and resonant techniques, and much more. So far, 2 major papers have been published on frequency-selective microwave sensing for coal concentration and real-time synthetic aperture radar imaging using random sampling. Whether you're a researcher, industrial engineer, or innovator working in sensing, imaging, or wireless systems, this special issue is packed with insights you can't miss. Got cutting-edge work to share? Submissions are open until December 25th, 2025. MDPI offers peer-reviewed open-access publishing with global reach, so your work gets the spotlight it deserves. That's all for today's Spotlight. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on disruptive technologies shaping our world.